Let's boil the mutton.
Mutton, 1 kg. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Add 2 glass of water. Cover it with lid and cook it on medium flame for 15 minutes or until done.
It's done. Let's make masala.
Cooking oil, ½ cup. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon stick, 2 pieces. Sauté it for 1 minute. Onion paste. Sauté it well on medium flame. Ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons. Sauté it well. Tomato paste, 1 cup. Sauté it well on medium heat. Dried coriander, 1 teaspoon. Yogurt, 1 cup. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Ground spices, 1 teaspoon. Sauté it well on medium heat. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Now add boiled mutton. Add ½ glass of mutton broth. Cover with lid and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame.
It's ready to serve.
Now garnish it with ginger and green chili slices.
Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed my video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Today's recipe finished.